Hello everyone, welcome to our new bird building. It is finished and we'll be moving the birds in soon, but I wanted to give you a quick tour of it while it's empty and quiet, and then we'll follow up with another video showing all the birds that have moved in. So I'm just going to take you through a quick tour of the inside. This door is a roll-up door where we can drive the golf carts in and bring in supplies, food and water and everything else that we need. And this is the long hallway here. You can see the nice big fan there. That is going to be so great for circulation. And then you can see the aviaries here. There's 5 separate aviaries wired, and we'll just walk down the hall here. Here's another very large fan for cooling we're excited about. It is solar chill. So we'll just walk down the breezeway here and look at this heavy duty cleaning hose. We're excited about that. And we're just walking down the hall. It's very nice. Natural light. We have solar tubes throughout the ceiling here to let in natural light, and then we have regular lighting. Cement floors for easy cleaning. And then on the other side of the building we have another roll-up door, so we can just drive straight through with the golf carts when we're delivering supplies. So here's another look at the aviaries from this angle and where we just came from. So we'll walk down here and then we'll step into one of the aviaries. So here we go. We're inside of one of the aviaries. The indoor portion of it, very roomy and nice. Easy to clean walls, metal. A nice drain for cleaning when we're hosing them off. Then we have a sliding door here. Very heavy sliding glass door that we'll be able to open up and let the birds come outside and have fresh air. There's also a screen. And then we have the outdoor portion here. Some natural lighting, get the sun, fresh air. And I'll just have lots of room. And then there's another door here that can be exited or entered through. And each one of the aviaries have one. And you can see a view of the building here from the exterior view. We think it turned out great. We're so excited to be moving the birds in soon. More to come. We'll have video of the birds in the building next. Thanks so much for making this happen, and thanks for your ongoing support and love for the birds.